PTON Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy, is it not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in this space that has actually done 40,000 videos and documented them all. I'm telling you this because it's truth and I actually have the proof to back it up. And ultimately, man, PTON is just, well, my previous idea was bullish, right? And guess what happened? Yeah, exactly that. Let me show you the before. I mean, I don't know if it's in the... There's obviously previous receipts with PTON in the Discord. More so like talking back to 2 weeks back video that was made on this YouTube channel. 6:15 at the time. I was looking to take it up to like 7:10. And all I can tell you is that it did exactly that. Now we're 7:58. It's nice. That's a plus 3R. All I'm here to tell you is that I'm looking to double down. Even a double break is so crucial, man. This is so nice. Bro, it's been just milking these last couple of freaking days and weeks. Starting to pick back up. The only thing that I'm looking to do is now is praying for corrections. Meaning if the price does pull down and does show me some sort of a double break, then and only then I'm buying. Randomly forcing buys, not going to be happening. So if you want to learn how to make it 5, 10K per month for the indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.